You may be aware, too, of a law in the province of Quebec here that bans public servants, teachers, judges and others from wearing visible religious symbols, which obviously affects Muslims who wear the hijab, for instance. Quebec says this is a law about secularism. What do you make of that kind of law existing in Canada?
I find this, secular extremism. It really is against, you see, the whole idea about idea behind secularism is liberalism. You want humans to basically, be free to express the way they want to be, as long as it doesn't cause pain and hurt to other human beings. That's how I understand what liberalism is. So if someone covers their hair, their head, why has it become such a big issue? And I feel this is just a symptom. The main reason behind this becoming such a big issue is because of the way Islam is perceived. And that's why that understanding has to take place. And I also say one thing, Rosemary, that Muslim world also must, heads of Muslim states must be able to present their cases in world forums like the United Nations and the European Union, so to improve this understanding. And I actually do, people objecting to hijab or, sometimes, people with beards, although beards are now becoming very trendy, although shorter ones. So people objecting to this is quite bizarre for me because, again, I repeat, in the liberal Western democracies, why is this such a big issue? Unless the reason behind it is that there's actually fear of the other. There's a suspicion. They actually do believe that there's something in Islam that leads to radicalism and to extremism and to terrorism. And unfortunately, I repeat again, there are certain Western leaders who believe this.